So there are going to be times within your automation processes where you may need to determine if a model has a family table or not. This could be for batch reasons, or it could be for something you want to disassociate models by identifying if there's a family table to delete it. There's many reasons why you want to do this. And we do have a command for doing that. It is the family table exists function under the model object. And this will, by default, take the active model that's in session, and it expects to write it to a target worksheet in cell. So I'm going to create a worksheet here. We're just going to write out to this worksheet and let's say cell B5 within there. So the active model is currently the speaker assembly, and when I run this, you'll notice that it comes back and says this does not have a family table. So it came back with a false. If we pick a specific item within here, like basket, oops, BAS, basket.prt, and run that, as long as it's in session, it doesn't have to be active, but as long as it's within Creo session, it will actually run and test that. And you can see that that basket is, in fact, a does not have a family table. If we put in something I do know has a family table like screw.prt, which is located in the design here, and we run that, we could see that in fact it does have a family table associated with it. Just as another interesting thing, this will also, I'm going to erase memory and then open up a nested version of the model here. So this screw 10 millimeter under the screw nested is actually has a family table associated with it. So I'm going to open this up just as a test here. So to actually call this one out, we're going to call this screw 10 millimeter screw nested PRT. So this is the first level instance for that generic, and then we know that that also has instances underneath it also. So if we run this, it should come back and tell us, yes, this particular model does have a set of, it does contain a family table. So if we come up here and look at this, this will be a nested family table at this point. So we're in an instance and we're looking at a family table within that instance. So it is a very powerful function. You can use it to use the Boolean that comes out of this for other logic on other execution worksheets and to use it as basically a way to just determine a logic path for the next operations you want to perform.